Hello everyone, this is Akhilesh Bhagwat from Graphologymadesimple, and in this video we are going to learn about speed, and in speed we are going to learn about slow speed. Okay, so consider this: you are starting to write an exam. Okay, and at the start you are writing roll number and your name. Okay, so what type of handwriting do you have at that time? Normally, lot of people or lot of us have handwriting clear. Okay, our handwriting tend to look very much clear. We are writing it, our name is clearly visible, okay, at the start, and as we move further it changes. So why does our handwriting at the start is clear? It's because our mind at that time is calm, okay, and we are not thinking about any other thought, we are not thinking about completing things or any other stuff. That's why mostly our mind at that time is calm. Okay, unless you got the question paper and you don't know the answer of those questions, then you will have different handwriting. So anyway, same concept is applied here. The people who have slow speed tend to be calm and tend to be clear in their mind. Okay, they don't have the cluttering of thoughts or many thoughts at a time. Okay, they are clear and they are calm. Now the trait is that that's the reason they tend to go after perfection. Okay, now why would someone put so much effort to put dot like here in letter I to have a complete, complete loop, clear loop, complete T? Why would someone put that much thing into it? Because they want perfect, they want things to be perfect, they want things to be detail oriented, and that's the reason these people tend to love perfection. Okay, and they not mostly make any mistakes. Okay, since they are writing slow, they are cautious about what they are writing up. That's why these people tend to make less mistakes. Okay, and small details. And these people are also good observers. Okay, they tend to observe other people's handwriting as well. So handwriting in the sense, they tend to observe other people's things. So how, what this person is wearing or what this person is doing, they are good observers as well. Okay, so that's the thing, and they tend to focus on their appearance as well. If they have this dot like in I, letter I, then they are pretty much detail oriented as well. Okay, so in short, slow speed handwriting people are mostly calm and mostly clear in their mind. They don't have the cluttering of thoughts. Okay, and they tend to go after perfection. They want things to be as much as perfect as it can, and they are detail oriented. And since they focus on small details and perfection, they tend to make less mistakes. Okay, and also they are a very good observers as well, be it about little things, be it about surroundings or people, or just being observing things. Okay, so that's all in this video about flow speed. I believe you learned something new. This is Akhilesh Bhagwat from Graphology Made Simple, and thank you for watching the video. Okay, let's keep learning. More is coming up. How was the video? I believe you have learned something new. Yet, if you are interested in learning more about graphology, then do check our online certification course. Okay, do this course before doing any other course because this course will teach you all the fundamentals necessary, okay, to get started in graphology. Okay, so what are the benefits of enrolling in this course? You will be able to find a lot of things after completing the course. Okay, it is a complete 2.5 hours on demand video course. So once you can enroll now and do that course after a month or on your own time. Okay, as you can see, we have added a lot of contents. So do check this course and do enroll in. Offer will be expiring soon, so do enroll in now.